When we thought about that, we wouldn't think it would go that big.
If you think about the concept, I think it's crazy.
It is like the blood, the killer fluid. It is spreading everywhere.
You know, some is exciting, but some is scary at the same time.
That's people coming from all over the world just to see it.
They stand in front of it and they stare like it was a god.
They want to know what it means. They want to know everything.
They want to stop and take pictures with us.
They tell us we have the best copy of Adipec 2022.
Right now, I see them everywhere. Everywhere.
It's like an obsession.
I just can't ignore their importance anymore.
Goats.
Goats.
Goats!
Is it goat mania?
I believe it's called mania.
Yes, it is. Goat mania.
I knew that was gonna happen.